Do you want to know how to make a delicious fish taco, but completely vegan? Today, I want to show you how easy it is to make it at home. The ingredients are 1 chayote cut in half, then into 1/4-inch slices, 3 grams of dried mushroom, 5 grams of wakame seaweed, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. For the batter, 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1/8 teaspoon of oregano, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 1 cup of pastry flour, 1 cup of Mexican beer, and to assemble the taco, some fresh tortillas, red cabbage, lime juice, avocado slices, pickled red onions with habanero, and avocado oil for frying. Blend the seaweed and the mushrooms until pulverized. Fish tacos are a very popular variety of tacos in Mexico. There are many different recipes, but the crispy and batter ones are amongst the favorites. To make them vegan, I am using the common ingredients found in the batter, but substituting the fish with a very common ingredient found in Mexico, chayote. Now mix the onion, the garlic, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. Chayote is a vegetable from the squash family. It is likely native to Mexico, found all over Mesoamerica, and consumed by the Aztecs and the Mayas. Sprinkle the spices on the chayote and then the cornstarch. Growing up, my mom had chayotes growing in her garden, and she would often batter and fry them. And I've come to realize that this is such a delicious substitute for that fish. We just need to add a couple different spices to give it a hint of fishy flavor. Now mix the flour, the baking powder, oregano, salt, and black pepper. Add the beer and the mustard. And mix everything until it's well combined. By now, you know that I try to keep my recipes as healthy as possible, so I do recommend that you use avocado oil specifically for the frying. But of course, consume your fried foods sparingly so your body can thank you. I hope that you try out this taco soon. Not only is chayote delicious on its own, but it's seriously delicious in this taco, especially with all of those toppings. And if you're looking for the recipe for the pickled onions or the sour cream, I will make sure to leave them here. Buen provecho.